Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to sew sash bow. Actually, a sash bow is a cloth belt or a colorful ribbon used to hold a dress together and usually tied about the waist. As I'm stitching this sash bow for a 6 years old girl, so I take 1 meter long fabric. If you want to make a large sash bow, you can take 2 meter long fabric. It's up to you. Instead of cloth, you can use any kind of a ribbon as well. You can see that I already fold that fabric in a half, and one side of this fabric is closed, and then I put the fabric like that. This sash belt is 1 meter long and 2.5 inches wide on top and 4.5 inches wide on bottom, including the seams allowance. As per your measurement, you decide how wide and how long your sash belt to be. After measurement, take a scissors and cut it out from the fabric. In the bottom of sash belt, I am going to give a slanted cut in order to make it more beautiful. This cut brings on a special degree of cuteness to your dresses. As you see, I already cut both sides sash belts, so it's time to sew it. Keep the one piece of belt folded by the middle, right sides inside, stitch the long edges together making a tube. Turn the tube inside out through one of the short edges, like that. Now this is the right side of the sash belt. Now iron on it in order to make it smooth and flat. I prepared both sides of sash belt. It's time to sew with the bodice. This is a bodice which I already prepared. Now I will sew this sash belt to the side seams of this bodice. I turn it to the wrong side, like the front body side seams on the top of the back body side seams, and ensure that they are lined up with right sides facing each other. At the distance of 1 inch from the waistline, in between I keep sash belt and then pinning them. After pinning, I will sew them. Sew from the raw edges along both side seams. I sewed it. Now turn it to the right side. See the finishing, how beautiful these sash belt look like. After that you can sew the sleeves of this bodice, and then you can sew the bottom skirt with the bodice also. This is another frock which I already sewed, and it is ready to wear, but it is very loose from the waistline. So in this case, if you don't want to open the stitching of your dress, you can sew sash belt very easily, and it will look beautiful as well. These both parts of sash belt which I already prepared, I chose the contrast color for this frock. Now take a dress and keep it like that. I am sewing the sash belt on the side seams of my frock. Keep a 1-inch distance from the waistline and mark with chalk. This is the front side of the bodice. Keep the sash belt towards the front side of the bodice and then sew. You can see that I have stitched both the sides of the sash belt. You can easily turn a plain dress to a stunning feminine outfit with a sash belt. Just like that. Just need to do some skills with the sash to tie into a super cute bow. I used a very simple technique in order to make a sash bow. You can also do the same. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends and family. You can visit my Facebook page also. Link is mentioned in description. Take care. Bye bye.